everyone, welcome to chapter 2. In this chapter, we are going to talk more about classes and definition, and we are going to look at some of the projects. So some of the main concepts that will be covered in this chapter will be, we will talk more about fields as we talked about it, and parameters. We also talk about methods before. Constructor is a new subject that we are going to focus in this chapter, and also we will talk about assignment statements. I have asked you before to actually download the projects, and if you remember, let's go and see how we can download it. So let's just go back to our course module, and under the first part under book companion, you can click on there, and if you get something like that, you just click on it, and you can see that you can download books project. You can actually download it on your computer and then unzip it. So I have actually downloaded already, so I have it under projects. So you will see something like that when you unzip it using a WinZip or something else. And you can click on chapter 2, and you will see that they are native ticket machine, which is one of the things that we are going to talk about first part of this demo. And then of course there are some book exercises which you can see here, and then the better ticket machine. So you should follow your book on chapter 2 when you are actually going through this. So now that you know how to do that, we can just click on the native ticket machine and click on package. Remember, you want to click on the blue J. Forget about the other parts. So, and you will see something like this. So in here, like if we click compile, we are basically compiling our program, and we can click here, right click on it, and you can see like click on open editor. You can see the editor for this class. You can close that. You can also, sorry, let me just go back here. You can also compile it from here. You see this class compiled using this compile button. And this is the source code. And some part of this lecture, you will look at the source code here. And if you want to see the documentation beside it, you just click on documentation. And it's basically explaining to you. So each of these projects will work like this. So you just open it, you will actually be able to see the source code and actually see the documentation. So in here we have a class called ticket machine. Just remember you have the caps here. So this is the ticket machine, and it's as you can see the documentation, it gives you some information, which is a public class, and basically models a native ticket machine that issue a flat fare ticket. The price of a ticket is specified via the constructor. It is a native machine in the sense that it trusts its user to insert enough money before trying to print a ticket. It also assumes that the user enters a sensible amount. So basically this is what this class diagram shows you. It models the ticket machine model, which is basically it's a naive ticket machine, and with these requirements. So it's always good to look at the documentation here. Also, if we click here, we can click on open. Oh, sorry, I clicked on open editor again. We can click on compile. We compile it from here or from there or from there. And then we can click on inspect. There's nothing to inspect yet. And also we can create new, create our objects here if we want to. So as you can see, these are basically comments that the programs will have. So these comments: create a machine that issue tickets of the given price. Note that the price must be greater than 0 and there are no checks to ensure. So the new ticket machine, maybe we just say 100. So it got created here. We can just click on it so you can see the price. We give it as 100. So this is basically what we are doing here. I'm just going to go back to our class notes, and you can actually watch one of the videos. So this is basically kind of a lecture video, but with our lecture we have 3 other kind of a video that kind of explain these. So you can actually click on the naive ticket machine project.mp4 and you will be able to go through this whole thing that I just did it with you. So you can just click on here and this will open up and you can just watch this. These videos are very good because they are from the book and they are very short, like it's only 7 minutes, so you can see how long this video is. And basically it's going through the same thing that I just went, but I just show you from the beginning of how you can actually get to the projects and things like that. So you can just watch this for 7 minutes.
Here we'll do some groundwork that will make it easier to understand the source code when we see it.
So we're going to go back to what we created. You can watch basically this 7 minutes video and it will explain you this, so that we have 3 fields here. So we started with 100 cents and you have the other 2 parts here. So you can basically follow this video and it's going to explain you here. I just want to show you another thing. If you right click in here, you can actually see some methods that we have here. This is get balance method. Right now it's 0. It's returning the value of 0. We also have get price. So our price was 100. So you can see it's an integer and it's 100 here. We also have void insert money here. So that also receive amount of money from a customer. So you have it here too. And then you will have void print tickets, which you can see that this method is actually printing our tickets, which shows that the Blue Jay line ticket is 100 cents. So basically this is kind of, you can watch this video and it will explain what we just went through.